warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aida Cinta Mentari. I'm from 4A. In this video, I will present about phonology and phonetics. I got table of contents. I have 3 points that I will discuss in this video. The first one is phonology and phonetics. The second is subfields of phonetics. And the third is basic concept of phonology. Okay, let's start with the first point, phonology and phonetics. The definition. Phonology is the study of sounds and sound pattern of a specific language. It examines how sounds are organized and how they function in language. While phonetics is the smallest unit of a language. Phonetics is the study of human sounds in general without saying what function and which sounds may have in a particular language. Okay, what is the difference between phonology and phonetics? Phonology focuses on organization and function of sounds, while phonetics focus on physical production of sounds. Phonology studies about how sounds are organized into syllables and intonation, while phonetics studies how vocal organs interact to form sounds. How it studies, phonology considers speech sounds in relation to other words and syllables, while phonetics focus on isolated speech sounds. Let's move to the second point, which is subfields of phonetics. We got 3 subfields of phonetics. The first one is articulatory phonetics. The second is acoustic phonetics. And the last is auditory phonetics. Okay, let's move to the last point, which is basic concept of phonology. The first concept is phone. Phone is basic sound unit of language that are recognizable but not classified. The delimiters used are square brackets. For example, in the word P, the phone is P, I, and T. Okay, next is phoneme. Phoneme is the smallest unit of language with distinguished meaning. The organizational unit of phonology is termed as a phoneme. The brackets used are slashes. Example, the P in tap distinguished from tap, tag, and ten. And the next is allophone. Allophone is one phonemes that have more than one realism, depends on the situation. The key points of allophones, first one is non-distinctive, the second is predictable, the third is complementary distribution, the fourth is free variation. Examples of allophone. T in English, aspirated in top and unaspirated in stop. L in English, light is a leaf and dark is a field. Okay, next is how to determine phonemes. The first one is minimal pair. 2 words that differ by only one sound. For example, stop versus tap. And second is phonetic dissimilarity. If sounds are very different phonetically, they are less likely to be allophones of the same phoneme. The third is complementary distribution. If 2 sounds never occur in the same phonetic environment. For example, top and stop. Okay, next is what is consonant clusters. Consonant clusters is simply a group of 2 or more consonants that occur together in a word. For example, street and speak. And the conclusion. Phonology is the study of sounds and how the sounds are organized and how they function in language, while phonetic is the study of human sounds without saying what function in particular language. Phonology can distinguish the meaning of language while phonetics cannot. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you for your attention.